Welcome to video 5 of the hamburger method. This is all about self-soothing touch. So it's about hugging yourself and feeling the love, you fabulous being. So why is it amazing? Touch to your nervous system is absolutely critical. It's what the stage is to burlesque performers, basically. It's absolutely essential. You've got to have a space to perform in, no matter what that looks like as well, right? So when to work it? After you've breathed your way to bliss, after you've done the step 1 to 4, and how to nail it. What you're looking for is to wrap your arms around yourself like you're your own favorite teddy bear or stuffed animal or own favorite thing that in childhood you look to for comfort. You're looking to feel the warmth, feel the pressure, just feel the love. Imagine the love being poured into you. Explore those sensations that come up in your body. Like you're a new discoverer going out to this new land that no one else has ever been to. And they're going to find some amazing things. And just enjoy the sensations as well. The sensations are the communication system of your body. And they are super important. Your body is an amazing system for telling you all sorts of information as well. So see what your body tells you, and we'll see you in the next video.